Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Using WhatsApp and don't want to get tracked with your real-time location. In this video, I'll show you how to fake your location on WhatsApp for iPhone and Android. Let's go. WhatsApp has two location sharing options. One sends your current location, like dropping a pin on a map, and the other, called Share Live Location, that lets you share your real-time location so people can see you moving. Going back to the manual choose location method, WhatsApp lets you pin a location on the map instead of using your real-time GPS. This is an easy way to send a fake location without having to install any third-party tools or tweak your phone's settings. To do this, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to share your location. Tap on the paperclip in Android, or plus sign in iPhone icon to attach, and select Location from the choices. By default, WhatsApp tries to detect your current GPS location. Instead of tapping Send your current location, manually search for a place or pin the map in a different location from your actual position. Once the pin is dropped in the desired spot, it will be sent automatically. Note that this is not a complete spoof in the sense of changing your phone's GPS. It just sends an alternate pin. Now, to send your live location, you can find the Share Live Location with the same steps as a while ago. But you can't manually search and set a location when sharing your real-time location on WhatsApp. It shares your actual current location. This is different from simply sending a location pin, which can be set manually. There's no built-in way to fake your real-time location within WhatsApp itself. But if you're looking for a way to share a fake live location for privacy reasons, you'll need to find a third-party app or other workaround. Good thing I discovered this location changer tool. It provides a convenient way to change your device's GPS location, allowing you to appear anywhere in the world. If your iPhone isn't jailbroken or your Android isn't rooted, you'll generally need a PC and software to spoof your location. First off, you require a PC to change your location. There are some software tools that are available, but some of them don't work well, and others cost a lot of money. I tested the most common software and found out that this one is the best. This tool allows you to change your GPS location on your iPhone and can be useful for a variety of reasons, such as playing location-based games, accessing geo-restricted content, or protecting your privacy. For a special offer, click the link in the description box to get a great discount on your premium subscription, as the free trial only allows you to change your location a few times. To start, launch the software on your PC. As you've noticed, the software offers unique features that make it stand out. And one thing I like about it is its ability to simulate GPS movement. This means you can not only change your location to a single point, but also simulate walking, cycling, or driving along a route. To use it, choose the Change Location button from the options. Make sure that you've signed into your account. And proceed with Enter. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Use either an original or an MFI certified cable, as cheap cables may charge iPhones, but they will not transfer data. The tool will detect your device. You might need to trust the computer on your phone. Remember that once you complete the setup, for the next time you don't need to continue linking your device. Simply connect to the same Wi-Fi for both your devices and you can change the location directly. Keep also the screen of the device unlocked, then tap on Next. From here, choose General Mode, as it is suited for most social applications. Next up, follow the instructions to enable the Developer Mode on your device. Note that enabling Developer Mode does not include any sensitive operation. This is only for modifying the GPS location. Once activated, you can now enter the address or GPS coordinate on the search box where you want to teleport to. In my case, I want my location to show that I am in New York City. Next, simply follow the prompt and click Start to Modify. Your location will be changed at once. all location-based apps on your iPhone will be changed to the fake location as well. If it doesn't, restart your device to apply the changes. The software has a lot more features, but for me, they are quite self-explaining, so I don't want to go into detail there. If you're done using it and want to go back to the real location, tap the reset icon on the tool, then your iPhone will restart without data loss. But to send a fake live location, like you're moving, select single spot movement from the choices here above. This will make it seem like your device is moving from its current location to a destination you choose at a speed you set, like walking, biking, or driving. When you start the single spot movement, the tool will automatically move along the route until your device reaches the destination. Now, go back to WhatsApp and check if it's working. Return to the conversation you left and try to share the fake live location. Set how long you want the location to be shared for and click according to the time you need. Now, the fake live GPS location will be sent to the person you're talking to. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.